think you're gonna love this next one. This is an above ground koi aquarium for the outdoors. Something truly special. The very first, potentially the first in the world, that used artificial rock for the Aquascape system. Previously, never in a residential project have we ever brought a koi window or aquarium style into the residential backyard. So what we were asked was to rip out this leaky pond that they had to patch every single year for this man's beautiful koi and turn it into an aesthetically pleasing above ground, partially aquarium, but aquascape system. Do you think this is a pond? Do you think this is an aquarium? Please let me know in the comments below. We were asked to get rid of the old filtration system that was just an old sand filter for a pool, and create something that one, took up a lot less space, and two, looked even better. This man loved gardening, had beautiful tropical plants all over the place, and so what we did was we added a Biofalls Series 1000 and a infinity edge with aqua blocks and a pump vault below with a 4,000 to 9,000 pump. And then we also added 2,200 gallons for the main feature itself. Then we also added 2 extra jets so that the fish would have like a little mini koi treadmill. And we made sure to have those jets right by the window so that the viewing window would always give endless pleasure. We also added a few Aquascape lights inside and out for viewing at night. And we wanted to turn this into a spot this man loved to host, and we wanted to make sure that this is a perfect spot that somebody can sit, enjoy the sound of the water, and enjoy the sight of the fish. We ripped out the old one, we built with the cinder blocks, we laid in our EPDM liner, we set in our biofalls, we then added the glass, which was an absolute nightmare, I'm not gonna lie. We set the glass in, and I swear only on this property it rained for like 2.5 hours straight, and it filled it up. It compromised the silicone, and we had to dig out that silicone and reapply. Also, we found out that the bar that we were using to actually mount the liner to the back wall, I guess it slipped and fallen, and nobody noticed that it made a cut. So we tore everything out, made sure everything's perfect, patched it, tested it, put the rock back in, fish are good to go. But what we found and we knew was so important and key to an aquascape ecosystem was having the real gravel and rocks on the inside. So yes, what we knew was for the waterfall, we were going to use artificial rock, and then for the actual area that the koi could feed on and hide in and actually gather around, that was going to be the real rock. We build some of the most unique features in all of Canada, some would say all over the world, and we pride ourselves on the quality of work that we build. So if you enjoyed the feature like this, if you enjoyed the things that we build, please make sure to hit the like, subscribe button, and come back for the next one, because next week, every single Monday, we are posting a new video. I hope you enjoy the feature. I hope you love the koi. I hope you enjoy this as much as I do, because I love the way that this feature turned out, and I hope you did too. Next week, I think you're gonna absolutely love. It's a live edge water slide. Please let me know in the comments below what you think. I hope to see you next Monday.